A little bit of an unusual video for you this week. Let me explain a little bit about what you're about to see. This is like a live view, I guess, a real-time view of me logging into a website called We Will Write. And I had heard from a bunch of teachers that they've started using this, and some of them were saying that they were using it in connection with my writing program and the 6 skills that we learned in workshop. So they've been taking those skills and applying them to this gamified website called We Will Write. And I wanted to check it out. I wanted to sign up, see what the deal was. And I also wanted to see, is there a way to personalize it so that the challenges and the writing that the kids are doing in this gamified type of writing would actually produce good writing, and it wouldn't just be silly, goofy, whatever, that it was intentional. So what you'll see is that I am signing up for my own account, and then I kind of walk through like what I discovered and how to connect it to the structured writing workshop. And then I put this up in my Facebook group and then we got feedback and talked about like a plan moving forward. So if you're interested in connecting like the skills in this program and everything, I have links below for you to check out what the program is. And then you might want to check out We Will Write because it looks like it's going to be super cool. So anyway, let's go into the video and I'm going to kind of take you on a weird live walkthrough. I'm going to make a quick video today to take you on a first run through signing up with We Will Write. I've been hearing from teachers that they have connected the writer's workshop, the structured writer's workshop, along with We Will Write, and it has supercharged some of their sessions. So I thought I would just do it from scratch, and then you could take a look at how this might work for you. This is signing up for free. Okay. I've never done this, so let's see what happens. I'm a teacher. Here's my email address. Confirmed. I'm continuing. Nope. It's not. Sometimes nope. Okay, there we go. Here I am. Here I also am. Okay, let's see if my school is in here. This is a raw video. I'm in my pajamas, so you're not getting actual me. California Virtual Academies. Teacher. What education level do we want? Okay. I'm going to go to 6 through 8. Could be 4 or 5, but let's just see what 6 to 8 does. Create a password. Continue. I don't really want to transfer. Okay, sign up. Here we go. Close this. They don't have waiting music, so I'm not going to sing to you. Hopefully this will work. Oh, we're on the wait list. Okay. I'm going to get a confirmation email shortly, then grant access gradually, so stay tuned. All right, so this is the first part of the video. I will come back when I've been given access. All right, here we go. Well, it only took about an hour and a half to get in here, so I'll just show you here real quick. It gives you, here's what they're saying, that you and your students have full free access until the official launch, which is on March 4th, and it's February 20th right now, so we just snuck in there. Once we launch, you'll automatically receive an extended free trial. Don't know how long. So you might want to do this quickly. And then they give you a few things to do: a slide deck, a blog, a challenge, a video. I'm going to try some of these things out, and I will let you know which ones helped, and then we'll go from there. Okay, cool. My suggestion is to watch the little 2-minute video at the bottom of the email first so you can get an overview of it, and then make sure you look at the slides. There's a slide deck there, which is important. And then let me just see what this is like. Sorry if this is super boring. And then I'm just going to put homeroom. Oh, no, monogram. Oh, okay. I don't know. Something like that. Add. All right. So they have all these prompts in here that you could pick: informative, argument, inspiration. There's funny stuff in there. This would have helped with Lord of the Flies when I was teaching 8th grade. Actually, let me look at it real quick. The first day there, write a short speech. You want to stop the chaos. What's your plan? You're leaving the island, and how do you feel? Okay, cool. So what I'm interested in, though, is going over to my sets right here and creating my own so that they are connected to the choices that are in the writer's workshop. So I'm going to work on this for a couple of minutes, see what I can create, and we'll come back together after that. So this is pretty cool. So what I did was, you go in there to add a set, and it says to add a challenge or create a challenge. And I went in, okay, I have to save this first before I move. So I'll save it first before I show you some other stuff. So I wanted to create a challenge, and that's where you can upload your own photo. And basically I went in and found like a picture from the warm-ups, and I was thinking it would be cool to have everybody practice one skill. So this, might not use We Will Write every week, but maybe once a month you all do this like supercharged focus on one of the skills. So if you did voice, and then you put in there what the challenge is, you are Maurice, and then that's how you change it over here on the left, and that's how it changes on the screen like that. And then it has some tips down here for you to add in. And there was also, the last one said a sentence starter. So if you have some kids who are not quite sure how to start, maybe that could help too. And so you do all that, hit create challenge. And then let's see if it's going to show up in my sets. New set. Okay, let me keep looking here. And I'm back. Okay, I just sort of redid it again, and I don't know why. Maybe I was away from the screen too long or something, but it did save this time, and it went straight to this. So it'll pop into my sets now. If you click here, it'll open up all the tips and the sentence starter so that they could use that if they want. That closes it, and then you would just click on start. Okay, and then you would just give them the link and give them the pen and have them get started. So that's how that will start. I think I'd love to hear from you all if you think we should make a set of these for all 6 of the skills. If that's something you'd want to try and do like once a month, let's do it. All right, enjoy.